Hey! Just got my Subway. With a little chips with it too. Yum. I'm starving. As usual. Alright, so what we got was a tuna sub on scallion with a little bit of light mayonnaise and extra pickles. There we go. Oh my god. I'm gonna tear it up. Oh yeah. What's happening? A little over $6 on medium drink. Not that exciting, probably, but it's okay. Hopefully it will entertain you and make you really hungry. God, this is so weird. Okay. But yeah. Bread seems a little fresh. Fresher than I've had in the past. But let's go. Dig in. You ever feel like when you have long hair, it just seems to get in your food? All the time. All the time. It gets everywhere. You know what I noticed? Y'all ever think it's kind of gross? Y'all ever notice it's kind of gross? When y'all are ordering your food and all that through Subway, and you go to the vegetable section, and they've got the olives mixed in with the onions are mixed in with the dill pickles, and you got lettuce in with the spinach and all that. And heaven forbid you were allergic. You better not be allergic to any of that stuff, because you get sick. And then sometimes you get the flavor into the sub itself. And you're like, I taste olives. I didn't get olives. What is this? But I'm a little picky when it comes to onions. Don't care for onions. They can be cooked in like a chili or something. But as far as like on my sub, raw onions, not happening. And it's weird because if I go to Taco Bell or something and I order, I love salads. First off, I love salads. I can eat them every day, all day. It's not because I'm on a diet. I just love salad. Well, I forgot where I was going. But I go to Taco Bell, get me a taco. I won't have it on my tacos. I don't like the texture of it, don't like the taste of it on a taco. But love salad, love lettuce. Just can't do it on my tacos. That might be a weird combination. Tuna and dill pickles to you. Don't knock it till you try it. Love it. I also forgot to mention, I have provolone cheese. When I lived in upstate New York, they would put provolone on their subs. It's not really big in the South. I'm from Alabama. Provolone, not really that big. Everybody does American cheese. But when I started eating subs when I was in upstate New York, I would start putting provolone on my subs. So good. Maybe recording myself eating probably wasn't such a good idea. I didn't realize I'd have to be so conscious of myself when I'm chewing. I'm sitting in my truck right now. Y'all, this is so good. Y'all give me some ideas where you want me to try and go eat next time. Have y'all tried Wendy's the Baconator fries? Oh, haha. So good. Oh, yeah. Normally when I go there, I'm such a fatty. I'll go there and order 2 different orders of them because they're actually not too bad priced. And I'll get me a burger on the side of it. Really good. It's actually a cool day out. Cool in the south. It's like 78 degrees. But it's got a nice little breeze to it today. It's got a little bit of a chill going on. It's nice. Love the summer. Not a big fan of the winter. Love fall though. Love fall. I need some ideas though. I need some ideas where to go. I want to try going local. Go to a local place. Support your local businesses. I'm probably not doing so hot right now going to Subway and Taco Bell and Wendy's. But I really want to start, supporting local restaurants, local businesses. I mean, because you're putting money back into your community. I feel it's very important. But, wow, this video is already almost 7 minutes long. Well, 7:06 now. I was just told about a restaurant earlier this morning. Highland Bar and Grill. It's in Birmingham. I was told there's a 3.5 month waiting list to get in this place. I just looked them up online and saw their menu and I was like, holy crap. $18 for oysters on a half shell. I think their New York strip was like $38. I said, I'm good. I'm good. I can make me a New York strip at home. Bet you'll taste just about as good. Well, maybe not, but I ain't paying $38 for a New York strip. I'm cheap when it comes to that, guys. I'm sorry. I'll just make it at home. Not having them. But it looked really good, though. You know, it was local. They used their ingredients. The ingredients that they had were local. Fresh fruits and vegetables, all that. Which I'm all for, too. But you're also going to pay for it. You're going to pay for it. You're going to pay for quality. But I've been to restaurants before where they charge $38 for a steak. Here a couple months ago. We're just treating ourselves and everything. And it really wasn't that good. It reminded me of how the job I used to work at on a riverboat. They would cater the food and have it brought in. Cook it and have it brought in. It reminded me of that. Like, you could tell the vegetables were frozen and just served on our plate. And if I'm paying $38, I better not be getting no frozen vegetables. So I can make that at home. So, I mean, but it was okay. It wasn't bad, but I really didn't care for the steak at all. Did not care for it. And it's just a shame when you're paying all this money and you expect some sort of quality, fresh, locally grown, you expect a certain amount of quality. And when you aren't getting that, I mean, you may have really good service at your restaurant, but you need to make up, I mean, you need to, people work hard for their money. People work hard. And you need to make it worth it for them. That's why I want to start my own business. I really feel that way. I feel like you should not be lazy. You should not procrastinate. And you should have quality products that you yourself would eat. And when your waitress tells you, I want to get that, that's not good. Not good. Not good at all. But yeah, it was a nice time out. But I feel like we could have gotten better quality for the price. So, I'm probably fidgeting a lot with my hair. There we go again. It's just a nervous habit. Man. I'm wearing my ring today. The ring my mama gave me. It's very pretty. Doesn't fit me that well. Yeah. You know, when I'm putting things in the trash, I'm kind of making sure that I don't lose it, because it comes off really easy. But it's very pretty. Mama's all about jewelry. Well, y'all, I'm not done. I got a bag of chips to go. But see how this works out. See how it works out. So, but anyways, thanks for watching. It probably wasn't that interesting, but you know, I enjoy watching people eat, listen to people's conversations on their YouTube videos, and I feel like there's always something to talk about. Always something to talk about, and everybody loves watching people eat. At least I do. It's me hungry. But anyways, these chips are plain. Yeah, not very special. Yeah, kind of like my life, but hence where we are filming a YouTube video. But I appreciate y'all watching. Hopefully this can grow into something more. Hopefully, oh, sorry y'all. Hopefully this can grow into something more. Maybe I can collaborate with one of my friends. She's actually in the Guard. I'm in the Guard as well, the Army. And she just started a YouTube channel, and she does health and beauty stuff, and maybe I can collaborate somehow with her. Her name is Mendala K, Mendala K. Y'all check her videos out. Pretty cool. Very informative. I love watching her videos. So I'm gonna sign off now. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And just God bless. Y'all take care. Give me some ideas in the comments. Give me some ideas what y'all want me to do, where y'all want me to go. If y'all know of anywhere in the local Montgomery area, Montgomery, Alabama. I work in Montgomery. Comment below. And hopefully we'll get some more videos. Hopefully. I'm excited. I'm excited about this new venture. So, well, y'all take care, and see y'all.